It is time to work smarter, not harder. And this is why, at least in my opinion, charts are so much better than fundamental analysis. Now, I've talked about this concept before, kind of in different ways, but it's always a debate that's out there. Fundamental analysis versus technical analysis, which is better? And there's all sorts of different sides of the argument. And really at the end of the day, you just got to find what works for you. So I can't sit here, in good conscience and say that technical analysis using charts is the only way to have success in the markets. That would be a lie, but it is what I prefer to use. And a lot of people would probably call me lazy for wanting to use it for this reason, but hey, I want to make the most of my time. So technical analysis versus fundamental analysis, I want to kind of differentiate the two. And really the big differentiator is fundamental analysis people, they just take more bridges. And I'll explain what I mean by that. So let's just first map out a few, hopefully kind of common sense things here, but a value and price. Now, I say value because in Forex, you're going to have exchange rate. So it's not necessarily a price, it's just a value. But these do one of three things, right? The value or price is going to go up, it's going to go down, or it's going to go sideways. Or in other words, it just doesn't really move. I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, just bear with me here. So at this point, this is what I would call the is, meaning this is what is happening with whatever it is, stock, bond, futures, Forex, anything. That's what's going on. Up, down, sideways is the is. It's what is happening. And this is where charts are. This is where a chart trader, technical analysis, any of those things, TA for short, technical analysis, that's where, all us people, myself included, that use charts, that's where we're hanging out at. We just care about what is happening. Is the price going up? Is the price going down? Is the value staying sideways? Because as traders, that's what we care about, right? What is happening? What is occurring at that point in time? Now, when it comes to the world of fundamental analysis, they all of a sudden insert in a whole nother bridge right here. And this is what I mean by bridge. So this is the word. Wow, that's a terrible bridge, but this is a bridge, all right? A drawbridge of some sort, I guess. But they insert another bridge that they want to go and pursue. And this bridge revolves around things such as how, the cause, the reason. And they want to know, all right, yeah, a price is going up, a value is going down, but how is it going down? What's causing that? What's the reasoning behind why that value is going down? Remember, for us as traders, we just is going down. We care about the chart. Boom, let's get into the action. But for the fundamentals, yeah, they got to know what is happening, but then they got to cross that bridge and they got to know what these things are. Or in other words, to kind of summarize all this, they need to know the why. Why is the price doing that? What's the cause? What's the reason? They're taking that extra step. And to me, obviously crossing that bridge, determining the how, the cause, the reason, or simply put, the why, that just takes more time. You have to, consider in many other factors. And really at the end of the day, you still don't even know if that's the real why. I mean, best case in point there is go read the headlines. Any sort of headline you could see, the markets could be going up one day. And then you're going to see headlines explaining the why, and you're going to get, 5 different opinions on why the market's going up. Maybe it's because of oil. Oh no, it's because gold is going down. Oh, it's actually because the US dollar is going up, which is affecting import prices, which is then affecting the prices and the cash flow that this company can have, which therefore allows a dividend to be paid to the, the rabbit hole is big. The rabbit hole can be as vast as you want when it comes to fundamental analysis, or in other words, just FA. Again, nothing wrong with fundamental analysis, but not only is it taking more time, again, when you cross that bridge, that takes time, and then when you're figuring out the why, that's more time right there, you still don't even have a guarantee that you're actually figuring out why something is occurring. Again, one person can say, oh, well, that's happening because oil prices are falling. No, actually, that's occurring because gold prices are affecting the dollar like this, which is affecting this, that, and the other. You're never going to know why. But with charts, it is happening. And when something is happening, well, it is happening. That is the reality of the situation. If something is going up, well, I mean, it's not like this is an optical illusion. The thing is literally going up. Now, again, why is it going up? Well, that's where we enter into hopefully what I'm doing a good job of illustrating, just a lot of gray area over here, and something where me personally, I just don't have any use for it. I'm not saying that there's no value behind it. I'm not saying that it can't be used to make you a profitable trader. Now, investing, yeah, maybe you'd want to have more of that investing. When it comes to me investing for my retirement and such, yeah, I'm definitely considering things like this because I want to know why, you know, a company has been able to pay the dividend as long as it has for a long period of time. And in most cases, the why is just because, well, they're a well-established brand. But, so I'm not saying fundamental analysis is totally worthless. Investing, yeah, I mean, I use it myself. But as far as if you want to be a trader, a day trader, a swing trader, you know, especially day trading, I just want the is, because a lot of times within the world of day trading where minutes matter, by the time you figure out the why or come to some sort of conclusion of the why, you've missed the opportunity. The trade has passed you by. And as day traders, especially short-term scalpers, just focus on the is. And charting, technical analysis is a great is tool because it's right in your face and it tells you what is happening as it's unfolding. So that's the big difference here. And this is why me personally, I'm a big lover of charts because it's just, that bridge, no thanks. I just don't want to cross that bridge, and you don't have to cross the bridge if you understand charts and how to properly use them. So hopefully you found this helpful, and hopefully this kind of makes the distinction a little bit better between fundamental analysis versus technical analysis. Just remember, fundamental analysis, they have that bridge in there that takes them over to the whole why question, whereas technical trading, technical analysis, there is no bridge because we just care about the is, and that's exactly what a chart tells us.